Hey guys, so what do we have here? 12 gauge, a 410, 45 and a 9. So, and we have my 12 gauge single shot. This is the 12 gauge, a 410 adapter. Smooth bore, the 9mm, and then we have this box. Pre-ordered this last December, so let's see what's inside. Okay, from Short Lane. They said they started shipping this last January 27. I think this is their new model, 5-inch rifled, chambered in 45 ACP. See? And as an improvement, they made a notch so that you can easily extract the spent casing. So I assume that the velocity from this will be the same as 1911 with a 5-inch barrel. See, this is their new model. And look at the finish. This one I bought from eBay, and I think it narrows down up to the tip. So let's try it on my 12 gauge. The short lane adapter, 45 ACP. And just a Tula ammo steel case. So what's good with this adapters and single shot shotguns, you don't need to buy expensive ammo like brass case ammo. This will eat regular steel case ammo, the cheapest one you can get. It ejects the round, including the adapter, because of that big extractor. See how it ejects the round? Okay, that's good. Then you can take up that and put some more. You can shoot all day. So what I like about this adapter is it's rifled and it's 5 inches long. So next time you'll see this, we'll be shooting outside. Thanks for watching.